Have you ever heard about Amazon PinPoint service? Amazon PinPoint is a global SMS sending service from AWS, and it has a global SMS reach of 240 countries and regions across the globe. It is also enabling companies of all sizes to send SMS globally. Unlike the process of sending a personal message from your phone to someone in another country, sending application to person message or A2P, also known as bulk SMS, involves many more regulations and requirements. In this photo, which I have taken from AWS on the website, you can see that behind sending a simple SMS, there are a lot of components involved. The first thing to understand about this is that these components all are distributed globally. And as you can see that in this diagram, mobile devices are at the center of this, connecting to a mobile carrier or operator who operate this infrastructure necessary for SMS transmission. Once you hit that send button from AWS, your message travels to an aggregator which has connections to operators, partners, and other aggregators. And then it travels through the network across the globe and then reaches to the destination mobile carrier through which that message gets delivered to your phone. And dealing with all this and making sure that your SMS reaches to the desired location, it's not an easy task. But after playing with AWS Pinpoint for some time, I can safely say that it is at par with the other competitors and even with the solutions provided by the telecom companies. So if you haven't used it and if you are looking to send SMSs from your applications to people, especially your customers, then I would highly suggest that you look at Amazon Pinpoint. One of the use cases would be that, for example, if someone has bought anything from your company and there is a delivery date for that product, then and you need the customers to sign off the delivery, then you can send an SMS through your application before it leaves your premises for the shipment. And there are a lot of other use cases you can think of if you are using bulk SMS. I hope that this was interesting and maybe you learned something new about AWS Pinpoint. If you're already using it, I'm very keen to learn about your experience with it. So please put that in your comments. Thank you very much.